Right, good morning everyone, I'm back. Now, I did say I was going to do the blue flower, which I'll do in a minute, but before I do that, I'm just going to show you what I've been doing. I've been making cushions. Now, if anybody wants them, I'm going to be putting them up on the shop for sale. But this one measures, let me just tell you, so this one measures 12, 14, 16, 18 inches long by 11 inches wide. I mean that way, 11 by 18. And they're nice and thick, but I've knit them. I knit the cushion and they're reversible. This, you can undo that, but there's nothing, it's just blank underneath. So you can actually take that undone there, but there's nothing there. It's just for show. So if you're interested in buying these for gifts for somebody for Christmas, you know, put the back of the, you know, their back, or, you know, rest your feet on, whatever you want to do with them. I don't know, put them on a bed somewhere. So this is what I've been making on a night while I'm sat watching TV, cushions. And you'll see a little bit of hand stitch in there, that's it, because I've had to fill them, obviously. But nothing wrong with that whatsoever. So that's the long one, 18 by 11. And then this one is going to be a square cushion. And I've done this one all in green. So I'm just finishing the back section now. So where you've got the panel of rib, you know, the cable, I didn't do the cable on this one. So they're reversible. And this is, I think, what you call a moss stitch, if I remember rightly, like a moss stitch. So I've nearly done this one, not much to go, and that's going to be a 12 by 12 cushion. So if you're interested in any of these, you can let me know on this video. I will say these large ones, because you have to pay for the fillers, and the fillers are £6 a bag now, and it takes one bag to do one of these. So with the wool, £8.99 for one of these, and that's handmade by me and reversible. So £8.99 for the large one, and then £6.99 for the small one, which is not much bigger than, not much smaller than that one. So if you're interested, do let me know, and this one will be ready shortly, and I can invoice you for those. You don't have to pay it straight away if you're waiting for payday. I don't mind whatsoever. Right, got the glue gun on. But I'm just letting you know that I'm making them. And they're great little gifts. I'm going to be doing a pink one next. Pink and cream. It fills my hands have to be constantly doing something, that's all. Right, so I did say we'll come and do the blue flower. Now, I've got a light blue and a dark blue, so I'm going to do the dark blue. What do you think? Yeah. Let me just see. I think what I'm going to do is do the little, the ones that dangle on cord. So, do I have any cord? Oh, probably not. Hang on. Now, like I say, we do sell the cord in. We have different colours. This one's a green. So, I'm just going to do some small dangle flowers. We'll do a set of 3, I think. These look nice when they dangle from them big flowers. Just want to make sure you can see. I noticed yesterday when I was doing the flowers that I was down here rather than here, so I must remember about that. So I'm going to show you how to do the edging, which I've shown you before. So if you're going to do a petal and you want to do a little fancy petal rather than one I've just done, a plain one, so you take your lighter, start to burnish it, and you twist and twist and twist it like that. And then when you've gathered that up, it gives it more dimension. Looks really pretty. So I hope that's helpful. Okay, but yeah, that's how you do some of your buds. And you can make these, use anything on the bottom of those. Either way, they all look good and they all look natural. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.